Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and today I get to share with you Tulla and Norbert's Christmas Party collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection is filled with a ton of stunning elements including papers, stencils, ephemera, cut-aparts, stamps, dies, as well as a 6x6 paper pad and so much more. Let's jump in and take a look at all of the fun pieces in this collection. Let's get this Christmas party started with the collection kit, which includes 2 of each of the papers in the collection, as well as an element sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of the papers one at a time. This is the Let It Snow paper, which includes this awesome teal background with snowflakes and little peppermint candies. The back of that paper includes that fun peppermint stripe on a diagonal. This is the No Peeking paper, which includes lots of fun elements that you could use together or separately as you cut them apart. The back of this paper includes presents, some fun ornaments, stars, snowflakes, and a little bit of greenery on a white background. If you enjoy using cut-aparts, you will find the I Still Believe paper with 6 cut-aparts that are 4x6 in size. You can use them in a pocket page as well as on a card or on a layout. The back has a host of adorable little candy canes in pink, this fun teal, green, and red. So cute. The Ugly Sweater Party paper includes just that, a host of adorable ugly sweaters. Perfect for hosting your own ugly sweater party. The back of that paper includes a light blue background with white snowflakes. The Through the Woods paper includes Tulla and Norbert going out to pick out their Christmas tree in the woods. They're up to all kinds of fun mischief. The back of this paper features this bright and beautiful red with a subtle ho-ho-ho background. The Holly Jolly paper features 12 3x4 cut-aparts, great for adding a title, some journaling, there's even a tag. You can easily use this as a card and so much more. The back features a beautiful background of holly leaves. This is the element sticker sheet. It includes a whole host of icons, including reindeer, the gnomes, snowmen, Santa decorating a tree, tags, tabs, frames. I love the ornament banner strip at the bottom that's 12 inches in length. There's lots of fun words, as well as some banners, tags, and so much more. The Christmas Party collection also includes a 6x6 paper pad, which features 12 sheets of 6x6 patterns. There are 2 of each pattern inside of this package. There are lots of 3x4 cut-aparts, some of the larger patterns in a smaller size. I love the ugly sweaters in the mini version. More 3x4 cut-aparts, as well as some strips to use to decorate cards. The packages with some fun pink ho-ho-ho paper. You get some extra bonus patterns as well. I love this rainbow stripe. Green plaid. The mini candy canes are fun. Some more 3x4 cut-aparts. And there's 2 of each design inside of this package. Love the snowflakes with the little peppermints. The peppermint stripe. You've got your holly background as well as a red gingham. This fun pattern in blues and greens with the matching blue here. The last piece is this fun cardigan background pattern. And then you have a whole second set of papers here as well. If you're looking for some great background paper and accent paper to go with all of the pieces in this collection, be sure to check out the Solids Plus package, which includes all of the papers you see here. There's a different color on the front as well as the back. Let's take a look. This is the Solids Plus Teal, and it has a teal grid pattern on the front and then the solid green on the back. This is the Solids Plus Red paper with the grid pattern on the red and then a solid Christmas green on the back. This is the Solids Plus Pink with the pink grid pattern on one side and a solid orange on the back. There are 3 individual pieces in the Solids Plus pack that you've just seen. You'll get 2 of each of those papers in each pack. So you'll get 6 pieces total to mix and match with all of the elements in this collection. If you enjoy coloring your own designs, be sure to check out the Color Me paper. This one is called Ugly Sweaters, which of course has all of these fun ugly sweaters on one side and then the candy canes on the back. This might be a fun project for teachers to let their kids color an ugly sweater. This is the Christmas Party Color Me paper, which includes 12 3x4 cut-aparts for you to color, cut out, and use on a card or on any of your paper crafting projects for the holidays. The back includes this stunning holly paper, which just begs to be colored. There are 3 fun stencils in this collection, which include the Ugly Sweater 6x6 stencil, as well as the Holly Jolly 6x6, and then this 2-part holly leaf. So it has the holly leaves on one and then the berries on the other. How that works is you put your holly leaves down first, you ink those, and then you put the second stencil over the top to add your berries. Super fun, easy. This would be great to add to an envelope, just inking up the edge of your envelope with this Holly Jolly. That might be fun. Add a few holly leaves. Great for mixed media and so much more. The next piece in this collection is a group of ugly sweater stamps, dies, and die paper. You can mix and match if you like to stamp and color. There's a stamp set that you can make any of the sweaters your own. If you like to make cards but are not necessarily into stamping and coloring, that's okay too. We also offer the Ugly Sweater die paper, which allows you to pick up a set of the dies, cut out all the images you see here, and use them on your cards. Quick, easy, fast, no coloring involved. So you can either do the traditional stamping and die cutting and coloring, or you can just do the die cutting. Totally up to you. We've kind of developed these pieces for all the different crafters in our community. When you cut out the die paper, you'll get all of the pieces you see here. These would make the most adorable ugly sweater party invitations ever. If you want to add a sentiment, you can pick up the stamp set, which includes different sayings, as well as "You make ugly look good," "Eat, drink, and be tacky," "Ugly sweater party," and then a date and a time stamp so that if you wanted to make invitations, the stamp is ready for you. How fun is that? I might have to host an ugly sweater party just so that I can use all of these fun elements. This collection also includes a stamp and die set, as well as a die paper with the gnomes that you see here. So you get the stamp set with 3 gnomes, including Santa, the little deer, as well as the Santa with the lights. He's got his list, he's checking it twice. You get naughty, nice, the sentiments "you are," "from our gnome to yours," "you better not pout," and then a little box with a check mark. How fun is that? Now, there's also a matching die set that fits all 3 of the gnomes. So you're good to go once you stamp and color. You can cut them all out with the die set. The dies also fit the die paper. So as you see here, all of the dies match up beautifully with the die paper to cut out all of the gnomes that have already been colored. Now you notice there are also some extra elements you just cut out with your paper cutter. The circles you will cut out with a 1.5 inch circle punch. That makes life so much easier. So you get lots of elements to either stamp, color, and cut, or cut with the die paper to use on any of your paper crafting projects for the holidays. If you like to make your own tags for the holidays, be sure to check out this fun tag stamp set with the tag itself, 4 fun icons, as well as the little piece that goes here to make it look like a little tab. And then there's a to from, no peeking, and then a Christmas sentiment. So there are stamps, coordinating dies that are sold separately, but if you don't want to make your own tags and color them, you can also pick up the die paper. It's called Christmas Morning Die Paper. It allows you to use the die from this set to cut out all of the tags you see here. There are 15 tags per sheet, a great way to cut out a lot of tags quickly. They match all of the different pieces in this collection, and your tags are done for the holidays. Let's take a look at some of them cut out. When you cut out all of the tags from the die paper, they will look like this. You can either add twine, you can add ribbon, so many options to make these tags your own. You can also cut out in a matching color the 4 U dies, and you could put that on the back and add their name to whomever the present is going to. Quick, fast, easy, and you will be done in minutes. Gotta love that. When you're finished cutting out all of the designs on this paper, you will end up with tags that look like this. They're 15 in all. You can easily add twine or ribbon from your stash. If you use this little topper, you don't have to add twine at all. It looks beautiful just the way it is. Perfect for adding to packages for the holidays. And you thought we were done with tags. There's also a second set of dies that are specifically for tags. It allows you to cut out the tag die paper with all of these fun options. So you get the tag die, the holly leaf, a holly berry, a hoe, as well as a to and from sentiment. These tags are so much fun. I love the Secret Santa. How cute is that? But I also like the fact that you can die cut out the to and the from, put that on the back and write a note. You can cut out a little holly leaf and a holly berry as accents on a card. You can even mix and match from the other set, the 4U. So all of the elements and the dies that go to the die paper and that match the die paper can be mixed and matched to make all of your tags look a little bit different. As with all of our collections, this one also includes an ephemera pack, which includes 26 fun and whimsical designs, including a tag that says to from, tickets, tags, banner strips, fun icons, and so much more. Perfect for all of your paper crafting needs. If you're a card maker like me, I saved the best piece for last. The holiday card kit from the Tulla and Norbert's Christmas Party collection is so much fun to create fun and whimsical cards in bright, beautiful, bold colors. All of the pieces that you need are all included in this kit. You will get 2 of each of the papers. One side is all of the cut apart pieces that you will use to create the cards. And then the back is a solid piece that you could mix and match and kind of put your own twist on it as well. This is the second sheet. It allows you to have your cut apart pieces as well as a red gingham on the back. Here are some of your card bases. These are some extra elements that you can make extra cards with. There's a fun strip at the bottom, and I love the candy cane paper on the back. You also get your 8 card bases to make the cards, as well as the sticker sheet with all of the extra elements that you'll use to create each of the cards. Since I couldn't help myself, I had to go ahead and create one set of cards to show you the finished product. Let's take a look. Everything you see here is included in the kit, including the stickers. The only thing that's not included is your adhesive and the twine. I used some foam tape to give some of the elements a little more dimension. Some I left just flat. It just depends on what you like to send. If you like a more dimensional card, just add a little bit of foam tape. How cute is the holiday cheer with the little gnome and his little lights, the snowmen, and of course Santa getting caught on his string of lights hanging upside down. How cute is that? These are the last 2 cards in the kit. There are 8 cards in all. All of the fonts and the text is all included. I used a little hole punch here and then some twine. I 3D mounted the car to give it a little bit of added dimension. This is a fun layering effect with 3D foam tape underneath the white circle. I did add some pen stitching because that's kind of my signature on all of my cards. So you can kind of make it your own as well, or you can do it exactly like the directions say. The nice thing about the card kits is that you get 2 of each of the papers. In case you make a mistake cutting, you don't have to worry about it. You can just go ahead and cut the other piece or use that extra set of paper for more cards with maybe the ephemera or the cut aparts or whatever works. So there's lots of options to be able to make even more cards. Now if you're a store and you want to do Christmas make and takes, you can get 2 sets of cards out of each card kit if you pick up a second set of the stickers. If you kit everything yourself and you're really careful about cutting, you can easily make 16 cards out of 1 set. So if you're a store owner and you want to do something fun for your customers, this might be a great way to do a make and take over the holidays. As we kick off the Christmas in July season, we hope that the Christmas Party collection from Tulla and Norbert help you create fun gift items, cards, tags, and so much more. If you like this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Thanks for watching.